do I have others on my hikes with me. The rain lately, we have gotten some pretty cool mushrooms out here. All different colors. There's a patch. It's a nice little waterfall I didn't know was here. It's pretty high down there. I don't know if it's always here, but pretty. So this is the Twisted Forest. You can see how twisty and crazy these trees are. These are the Bristlecone pines. They're about 2,000 years old. Pretty cool. I found the tip to a quartz crystal. I think I have found another waterfall. I'm gonna hike down there and see. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but all through this rock is it's just shiny with crystals. If I get too much into the sunlight, my camera will cover it, but this is some of those quartz crystals I was looking at. Wasn't a very steep climb, but the rocks are pretty loose. But again, these rocks are just full of quartz crystals. It's really pretty. They just sparkle. It's kind of neat. Yeah, I'm a good 20-25 feet up. But there's this cool waterfall. I might have to find the other end of it. I'm a good 20-25 feet up. But there's this cool waterfall. I might have to find the other end of it. There's a rock I found that's just a whole layer of crystals, a seam in there. Very pretty. So we're kind of here. You can hear the waterfall behind me. It's a really pretty alcove. You can see the roots of this tree coming through. And then there's the waterfall. There is a song by TLC. It was popular in the 90s. Called Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls. Well, I'm chasing waterfalls. We'll see if we find them. This is a cool waterfall. It just keeps going and going and going and going. Clear up to there. Still a ways to go. Look how cool this is. It's so neat. It just keeps going. I've come up about as far as I'm able to. That's about a 10-foot drop right there. Can't climb up that by myself. But there's the first part of it, and then it just comes down. My water bottle is clear back there. That rock right in the middle has a heart in it.